ever wondered
Well,
what
I've
makes
said
Warren
many times
Buffett,
that-
one of the most successful investors in the world, so different from the rest?
5 or 70.
Well, for starters, his approach to investing is a clear divergence from the norm. Instead of chasing short-term gains, Buffett has always emphasized
later,
the importance of
and
long-term
people
value,
that-
making him a stalwart of the investment world.
And later, and the people that you want.
His unique qualities don't just end there. Warren Buffett, unlike
just
his Wall
hugely
Street
important. And if
counterparts,
you invest in yourself,
hails from humble
nobody can
beginnings
take
in
it away
Omaha,
from you.
Nebraska. His early interest in business, nurtured by his father's brokerage firm, set the stage for his illustrious career.
I mean,
Unconventional, patient, and astute,
the second
Buffett
thing-
has always been a breed apart. But how did Buffett's journey start? And what can we learn from it? Warren Buffett's path to success wasn't built overnight. It began in his childhood. Born in 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska, Warren Buffett was not your average kid. His father was a stockbroker, and young Warren was fascinated by the world of business and investing. He bought his first stock at the tender age of 11, an early indicator of his financial acumen.
But I do tell
But his
them-
entrepreneurial
tell
spirit
students-
didn't stop there. As a child, Buffett had a knack for making money. He bought a six-pack of Coke for 25 cents and sold each can for a nickel, pocketing a tidy profit. He delivered newspapers, sold magazine subscriptions, and even launched a pinball machine business.
That
Each venture
I gave
taught
you a
him
car,
valuable
maybe the only
lessons
car you
about
get
business and
rest of
profit
your life.
margins, laying the foundation for his future success. But it wasn't just about making money for Buffett. It was about understanding the value of money and the power of investing. He once said, "I've known since I was 7 or 8 that I wanted to be rich, not
care
because I
of it like
wanted
you can't believe
Ferraris,
that. You scratch
I
it,
wanted
fix
the
that moment,
independence,
you'll
I
be
desperately
over, man.
wanted it." This sense of independence, this desire to create and control his own fate, was a driving force behind his early ventures. Buffett's childhood was also marked by a deep curiosity and a love for learning. He was an avid reader, devouring books on business and
Garage,
investing.
all
His
these things.
favorite was
You get exactly
1,000
one mind
Ways
and
to
one-
Make $1,000,
and one body in this world.
which he credits with igniting his passion for investing. His early years were not without hardship. His father lost his job during the Great Depression and the family struggled financially. But these challenges only fueled Buffett's determination to succeed. They taught him the importance
you
of
can't start
financial
taking care of it
security
when
and the
you're 50.
value of
By that
hard
time,
work.
it's a little rusted out. If you
In his
haven't done anything,
teens,
so-
Buffett's entrepreneurial ventures became more sophisticated. He invested in a farm, a used pinball machine business, and even a small piece of land. Each venture, each investment was a stepping stone, a lesson learned, a step closer to the success he would later achieve. Even as a child, Buffett was laying the groundwork for his extraordinary journey. Buffett didn't just stumble upon his investment strategies. His education and mentorship played a pivotal role. Warren Buffett's journey to becoming one of the most successful investors in the world is deeply tied to his formative experiences at Columbia Business School. As a young student, Buffett found himself captivated by the world of finance and investments. His intellectual curiosity was sparked, and his decision to attend Columbia Business School would prove to be a turning point in his life. At Columbia, Buffett had the good fortune to learn from Benjamin Graham, a notable figure in the field of value investing. Graham, often referred to as the father of value investing, had a profound influence on Buffett. He did not just teach Buffett the mechanics of investing, but also instilled in him the principles of patience, discipline, and value. Graham's lessons
By far the
emphasized
best
the
investment
importance of
you can make
investing in
yourself.
companies that were undervalued by
For
the
example,
market,
communication skills. I told
a
the
concept
students
that would become the cornerstone of Buffett's investment philosophy.
graduate schools and
Under
business
Graham's
and
mentorship,
all these complicated
Buffett was able
formulas
to
and all
delve deeper into the complexities of the financial world. He learned how to analyze companies, how to determine their intrinsic value, and most importantly, how to remain patient and wait for the right opportunity
Well, I
to
would advise
invest.
is,
It was during this
most
time that
important
Buffett
thing-
began to develop his own unique approach to investing, an approach that would later lead him to unprecedented levels of success. But it was not just the technical skills that Graham imparted to Buffett. He also taught him the importance of integrity, humility, and perseverance. These lessons, while
Aside
not
from the things
directly
I've talked
related
about,
to investing,
it's really
were
who you
equally
associate with.
important
You
in
want to
shaping
associate with
Buffett's
people who are better
character and his approach to business.
than-
In short, Buffett's time at Columbia Business School and his mentorship under Benjamin Graham were not just about learning the ropes of investing. They were about gaining a deeper understanding of the financial world, developing a strong ethical compass, and learning how to navigate the often tumultuous waters of the stock market. Buffett's education and mentorship were instrumental in shaping his investment approach. The true testament to Buffett's genius is the rise of Berkshire Hathaway. This isn't just a company, it's a beacon of success, a testament to the power of a clear vision and unwavering persistence. Warren Buffett's journey with Berkshire Hathaway started in the early 1960s. Back then, it was a struggling textile company. Buffett, with his keen eye for undervalued gems, saw potential in it and bought shares.
Very carefully.
Over time, he acquired enough stock to take control of the company, and the transformation began. Buffett's investment strategy for Berkshire Hathaway was simple yet effective. He focused on businesses with a competitive advantage, or as he liked to call it, a moat. This moat could be a strong brand, a unique product, or a cost advantage. Buffett believed that these moats protected businesses from competition and ensured their long-term profitability. He also advocated for the buy and hold strategy, investing in companies for the long term rather than trading stocks for short-term gains. This approach allowed Berkshire Hathaway to build a diverse portfolio of companies across different sectors, from insurance and utilities to food and clothing. Under Buffett's leadership, Berkshire Hathaway transformed from a struggling textile company to a multinational conglomerate. Today, it's one of the most successful companies in the world, with a market capitalization of over $500 billion. But the success of Berkshire Hathaway isn't just about the numbers. It's about the culture of value investing that Buffett instilled in the company. It's about making smart, long-term investments based on solid business fundamentals, not market trends or speculation. Berkshire Hathaway's success is a testament to Buffett's unique investment approach. It's a reminder that patience, discipline, and a clear vision can lead to extraordinary success. It's a story of how one man's belief in value investing changed the course of a company and in many ways the world of finance. So what can we learn from Warren Buffett's path to success? First and foremost, Buffett's journey reminds us of the power of an entrepreneurial spirit from a young age. His early ventures into various small businesses paved the way for his future achievements and instilled in him a deep understanding of the mechanics of business. Secondly, the importance of education and mentorship cannot be overstated. Buffett's time at Columbia University under the tutelage of Benjamin Graham played a pivotal role in shaping his investment philosophy. His experiences underscore the value of learning from those who have walked the path before us. Finally, Buffett's unique investment strategy, characterized by long-term value investing, sets him apart from many of his contemporaries. His approach, focused on patience and understanding the intrinsic value of a company, has yielded remarkable results and stands as a testament to the power of divergent thinking in a field often dominated by short-term speculation. Warren Buffett's success is the result of a unique combination of factors, but at its core, it's about a different way of thinking about business and investment.
Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Alpha Wolf Academy. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights from Warren Buffett's journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enriching content on financial education, personal development, and success strategies.